Okay guys, in this Python tutorial we are going to be talking about an iterative statement in Python called Python for loop. Don't forget to like, comment and turn on the notification bell for more coding and programming video. Without further ado, let's go. Python for loop is an iterating statement used for iterating over a sequence of data such as a list, tuple, dictionary, strings and many more. Okay, let's say we have a of language. Okay, okay. HTML, CSX, C, C++, and finally Python. Okay, and we're meant to loop over this list. To simply do this, we simply use a for loop. Okay, for language, in languages, print language. When you run this, you see all the item in our list has been printed out in a sorted order. It has been printed out. That's how you loop through lists in Python. There are other things you can do within a for loop, not just looping over the items only. You can do more within a for loop. You can print a message to each of these item in your for loop. Okay, let's do that now. For language, languages, okay, print this is the language. I will explain each of this code for you guys. Don't worry if you don't understand it, I will explain it. I'm going to placing it in an uppercase. Okay, let me run this. Oh, you see here, this is, so I forgot to place a space within this white space. Okay, see here, this is HTML programming language, this is CSS programming language, this is C++ programming language, this is Python programming language. So that's how you loop through that's how you do more within a for loop. First of all, we loop through the language in our languages list. After looping through it, we go to the next line, we print a statement for it. Say this is language. The language we printed, the language we loop through dot upper plus programming language with under string plus programming language. So when we run this, it gives us this is HTML programming language, this is CSS programming language, this is C programming language, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's say you want to you can also use for loop with an if statement. Okay, using for loop using for loop with an if statement. Okay, let me make this an heading. Okay, let's say you want to check if, or let me say, if the language is Python, it should print a different message for you. You simply use for language in languages. You set the condition if the language is equal to Python. Sorry, if the language is equal to Python, I want it to print a specific message for Python. Print I love convert it to, okay, now let us convert to title case. And love, okay, else I want to print our usual message. Now we got title. Okay, when I run this, you see here, first of all, let me explain what's going on in this code. First of all, it will create a loop to loop through let me create our list so we can easily visualize it. Okay, yeah, first of all, it will loop through this HTML. After looping through this HTML, it will check if HTML is equal to Python, which is false. So this statement won't be printed. It will then go to the else statement and print this is HTML programming language. Then you will go to the next statement and check, which is CSS. It will check if it's Python. If it's equal to Python. Since it's not equal to Python, it will execute the else statement, which is this is CSS programming language. Then if you also check if C is equal to Python, which is not, it will then check. It will also check if C++ is equal to Python, which is not. Then finally, it will now check if Python is equal to Python, which equates to true, and so this first statement will be printed out. So that's how you simply use for loop in Python. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more programming and coding video. And if there is any part of this video you don't understand, don't forget to drop it in the comment section below. I reply to all your comments within 24 hours. Okay guys, thanks for watching.